Mark Richards here with Intermountain Wind and Solar. Welcome to Twin Falls. We're here to show you one of our latest commercial projects. I'm going to take time and show you a carport that's close to 0.5 megawatt. And then we're going to go over and show you a ground mount that's about 1.5 megawatts. A total of about 5,200 solar panels. This one was specifically in design in both areas. You'll be able to see this carport that's cantilevered. It's brought over the cars, provides some nice shading. It takes quite a while to put together the design, and as we worked closely with engineers, general contractor, building owner, so lots going on there as you evaluate what this power will do. How do you tie it in from structural, as you can see here, to electrical, as you can also see here. And what's fabulous about solar is that it does its job quietly. There is plenty of distance for large vehicles to come in here, and then as you go over and see the ground mount and those how integrated that is to that landscape and how beautiful it looks over there. We have close to 5,200 solar panels between the two arrays. They're setting themselves up to be offsetting their power for the next 25 years. To give you a baseline, would be offsetting 75 homes year-round, day in and day out. So it's a significant system. These large factories need it. They can use all the power we can provide. They still take some from the grid. We're in a beautiful partnership with the grid, coal power combined with renewables, coming together, not the opposite of each other, coming together and providing power for this facility, making this facility one of the most efficient manufacturers across the nation. Lots goes into the fabrication and the ordering of the still and the engineering of it to make sure that this will do its job for many years to come, that it'll be up and out of the way, that it's sturdy enough to take all of the whatever may happen to this array. Beautiful and well done. So we wanted to highlight this structure because you can do that on your facility also. This system specifically was designed to just power this building and not push any power back to the power company. So if you're wanting to overpower, if your power company limits how much power that you can do, we now have the ability through our inverters to not push any power back onto the grid. So it can come just into the building. If you wanted to overproduce, we could do storage, battery storage for you, and that's been a home run here. It's not the traditional net metering relationship. They'll use all the power that's produced and they won't be pushing any power back to the power company. As we did in the early days, whenever we did one system, we all got together and celebrated and there was a ribbon cutting. And now we're moving so quickly in our industry, we sometimes forget to stop and take note. But a lot of time and energy and effort and dollars and intention went together to bring this all together, and it's worth it. So give us a call and let us do this for you.